Hello students, welcome to Wisdom Era online class. This is your English teacher Nagvini. Students, in the previous session we had started the prose I want to quit the ICS. Students, who is writing the letter here? Yes, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is writing the letter to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. Students, can you tell me why is he writing the letter to Chittaranjan Das? As Subhash Chandra Bose did not want to work under British rule, he resigned ICS and jumped into the freedom movement. He wanted to know that what were Chittaranjan Das would be able to allow in the great program of national service after quitting the ICS examination. Students, ICS means Indian Civil Service Examination. Now, please open your textbook, students. I am going to read first two paragraphs. Please follow as I read and listen to my pronunciation. C. The Union Society, Cambridge, 16 February 1921. Sir, my name is Subhash Chandra Bose. I am probably a stranger to you, but you will perhaps recognize me if I tell you who I am. I am writing this letter to you on a very important matter. But before I come to business, I must first prove my sincerity. Therefore, I shall first introduce myself. My father, Mr. Janakinath Bose, is a practicing advocate at Cuttack. One of my elder brothers, Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose, is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. In 1919, I passed the BA examination and got a first class in honors. Students, please look at me of new words. Sincerity means the quality of being free from deceit or falsehood. Honors means a specialized university graduate degree. Yes, see students, here we can see the address and date in the right corner of the letter, which means the letter is written on February 16, 1921 from the Union Society, Cambridge University. Here, Subhash Chandra Bose introduced himself to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. Why he is introducing himself? Because Subhash Chandra Bose is a stranger to Chittaranjan Das. So he introduced himself as son of Mr. Janakinath Bose, who is a practicing lawyer at Cuttack. His brother Sharat Chandra Bose is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. He also said that, see students, barrister means a type of lawyer in common law jurisdictions. Next, his brother Sharat Chandra Bose is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. He also said that he passed the BA examination in 1919 and got a first class. Subhash Chandra Bose introduced himself as a son of Janaki Nath Bose and the brother of Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose. Now please look at the paragraph, that is third paragraph. I arrived here in 1919 in the month of October. I passed the civil service examination in August 1920 and secured the fourth place. In June this year, I shall take the examination in moral science tripos. The same month, I shall get the BA degree here. Students, tripos means the set of examination for the BA degree at Cambridge University. BA means Bachelor of Arts. Students, in this third paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose gives an information about his education in detail. That is, he left India in 1994 England with promise to his father that he would appear for that in India Civil Service examination. He had arrived at Cambridge University in 1919 in the month of October and passed the civil service examination in August 1920 and secured the fourth place. He also gave an information about the examination in moral science reports and BA degrees. Students, I have already told you the meaning of TRIPOS. Is a system and Cambridge University. The final honest examination for the BA degree students. Students, in this session, I have completed second part of the prose. That is, I want to quit the ICS. Now, please answer my questions, students. Now, I ask you some questions. Please answer me. The first question is, what was the name of the father of Subhash Chandra Bose? Yes, the name of the father of Subhash Chandra Bose was Janaki Nath Bose. Second question, how did Subhash Chandra Bose introduce himself to Chittaranjan Das? Subhash Chandra Bose introduced himself as the son of Mr. Janaki Nath Bose and the brother of Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose. Very good, my dear students. I will continue this prose in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you.